The evening sky was painted in shades of orange and pink as Aliza stepped out of the taxi. She looked up at her new apartment building in New York, tall, shiny, and a little intimidating. Holding her small suitcase, she whispered to herself, "This is it. My new life begins today." The door opened. Ethan stood there tall, wearing a white shirt and a warm smile. "Hey, you must be Aliza." "I'm Ethan," he said softly. His voice was calm, the kind that makes you feel safe. Inside, everything looked cozy. Fairy lights on the wall, a soft couch, and a little kitchen that smelled like cinnamon. Ethan said, "I made some hot cocoa. Thought you might need it after the long flight." Aliza smiled. "That's really sweet, thank you." After unpacking, Aliza sat near the window. She looked at the city lights, moving cars, glowing buildings, and people walking fast. Her heart felt heavy. She missed her mother's voice. Her phone buzzed. It was her mother. "Beta, did you reach safely?" Aliza smiled with teary eyes. "Yes, Mama. The place is beautiful. Just a bit quiet." Her mother replied, "Quiet is good, my love. In quietness, you'll hear your own strength." Ethan knocked gently. "Hey, I made dinner. Hope you like pasta." They sat together, laughing softly as they ate. Ethan said, "You don't talk much, do you?" Aliza replied, "Only when I feel comfortable. And I think I'm getting there." The clock struck 12. They were still talking about music, books, dreams, and fears. Ethan said, "You know, it's strange. I feel like I've known you for years." Aliza laughed. "Maybe in another life." A small candle flickered on the table. The soft light made everything warm. Ethan said, "You should rest now. Tomorrow's a new day." Aliza nodded. "Yes, a new beginning." That night, Aliza realized something. Home isn't a place. It's a feeling. It's where you are understood, where silence feels peaceful, and where a kind heart makes you smile again.